Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to read about Wonderopolis. How is coral made? Have you ever wondered how is coral made? Is coral alive? Why is coral in danger? So here you go. What's the most colorful animal under the sea? You might think of jellyfish or nudibranchs. You might even say blue tang or angelfish. But we think today's wonder of the day beats them all. Today we're talking about one of the ocean's most colorful animal, coral. Many people think coral are plants, but they are actually animals. Plants make their own food, but corals get food from their habitat. That's why experts say they are animals. Corals are related to two other colorful marine animals, jellyfish and anemones. You may also see coral in salt water fish tank, but nothing compares to the beautiful structure it makes in the open sea. Small group of corals are called colonies. When many coral colonies come together, they make one of the Earth's most diverse ecosystem, the coral reef. Coral reef are home to about 25% of sea life. That's a lot, since they make up less than 2% of the ocean floor. The world's largest reef, the Great Barrier Reef, holds over 2,000 species. You will find fish, sharks, turtles, and many more animals in its 1,200 square miles. Today, the Great Barrier Reef is so big that it can't even be seen from space, but it took about 20,000 years for it to get that large. That's because corals grow very slowly. Most type of coral grow less than 1 inch a year. Speaking of growth, how is coral made anyway? Coral actually produced in a couple of different ways. First, when a coral polyp gets big enough, it can split into two. This makes a second polyp. That is copy of the first one. Coral also grows when polyps send reproductive cells out into the water. These cells come together and form new polyps. Hard or stony coral build coral reefs. Each new polyp has its own skeleton. When these skeletons connect to others, they form coral colonies and reefs. Soft corals don't have skeletons, but many still live in a coral reef. If you have ever seen pictures of coral reefs, you know they have many vibrant colors. But would you believe that corals actually start out colorless? It's true. Corals get their colors from algae that live in the reef. They feed on waste from the algae photosynthesis. They also eat small fish and plankton that they trap with their tentacles. Coral reefs are very important ocean ecosystem. However, Earth's reefs are in danger. Pollution and climate change threaten their future. Coral bleaching caused by increased ocean acidity is also a threat. If Earth's coral reefs are wiped out, what will happen to all the animals that live in them? It could spell disaster. Experts worry that the loss of reefs could lead to extinction for much marine life. Are you wondering how you can help save the coral reefs? Any ideas, guys? Experts suggest conserving water and keeping shoreline clean. It's also important to recycle and practice responsible fishing. Coral reefs are very important to life in Earth's ocean. Many people are working hard to help them. Would you like to explore a coral reef one day? We hope you get to. Maybe you will even find a whole new species of plant or animal there. There's no other place on Earth quite as colorful and diverse as a coral reef. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson and learned about coral reef. So I'm concluding this lesson right now and hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and post other notification button. Till then, take care and wait for more interesting stuff coming soon. Bye.